Students, our next topic is Lorentz force. The force experienced by a charged particle moving in a space where both electric and magnetic fields exist is called Lorentz force. Now, force due to electric field. When a charged particle having charge plus Q is subjected to a electric field of strength E or electric field of intensity E, then the particle experiences a force Fe is equal to Q into E vector. Now the direction of electric force is same as that of electric field intensity. Now force due to magnetic field. If the charged particle having charge Q is moving in a magnetic field B with a velocity V, then it experiences a magnetic force Fm is equal to Q into V vector cross B vector. Now the direction of this force Fm vector is given by V cross B vector. Now the direction of V cross B vector is perpendicular to the plane containing V and B as per right hand rule. Therefore, direction of Fm is perpendicular to the plane containing V and B vector as per right hand rule. Now due to both electric and magnetic fields, total force experienced by the charged particle is Fe vector plus Fm vector, as Fe is equal to Qv and Fm is equal to Q into V cross B vector. Therefore this is Qv plus Qv cross B vector, or we can write it as Q into E vector plus V cross B vector. This force is called Lorentz force. Now the special cases. When V vector, E vector and B vector are collinear, this means charged particle is moving parallel to the fields, or this is moving anti-parallel to the fields. फील्ड्स इस डायरेक्शन में है, चार्ज पार्टिकल इधर मूव कर रहा है, या फील्ड्स इस डायरेक्शन में और चार्ज पार्टिकल इधर मूव कर रहा है. Then magnetic force on the charge particle will be zero, because magnetic force is Q into V cross B vector, and we can write it as QVB sin theta. If it is moving parallel to the fields, then theta is 0. If it is moving anti-parallel to the field, then theta is 180, and in both cases sin theta is 0. Now the electric force on the charged particle is Qv. Therefore acceleration of the particle is Fe upon m or Qv upon m. This acceleration is acting in the direction of electric field. Due to this acceleration, the speed of the particle increase, but direction of motion of the particle do not change. Due to change in speed, its velocity, momentum and kinetic energy will change. Second, when V, E and B are mutually perpendicular to each other. If electric field and magnetic field are such that total force F is equal to Fe plus Fm is equal to 0, total force is 0, then acceleration will be 0, because F is equal to ma. If F is 0, then acceleration is also 0. This means if acceleration is 0, then velocity of the particle do not change. If V, E and B are mutually perpendicular to each other, then if E and B are such that F is equal to Fe plus Fm is equal to 0, then acceleration of the particle is 0. This means while moving in such electric and magnetic fields, velocity of the particle do not change. If F is equal to Fe plus Fm is equal to 0, then this means Fe is equal to Fm. Fe is Qv, Fm is Q into V cross B. Qv cross B is Qvb sin 90. Therefore Qv is equal to Q into Vb. Cancelling common factor, this becomes E is equal to V into B, or V is equal to E upon B. All the particles moving with this velocity, V is equal to E upon B, they will pass through the field without any change in velocity.